Okay, well, thank you so much to everyone who watched the live stream. I'm going to cook these now. I am going to be cooking mine in the microwave, and there'll be details on the discussion group page and on the website. You'll be able to see the finished results, and thank you very much for joining us. Okay, so that's the last of my samples cooked, and I'm going to let these cool now, and then once they're cooled I will rinse them in cool water with a small amount of gentle wash liquid, and once they've been cooled they can be dried. Dry them just at a natural what's the word I'm looking for? Naturally. Don't dry them on a radiator or anything, and they're good to go. And of course, if you don't like the colours at this stage, you can still, within reason, there's still capacity to even out to over dye them again in some cases. So thanks very much for taking part again, and we'll see you again soon, hopefully.